forest where the sunlight breaks. We'd gather round, no worries or mistakes. Laughter echoed through the tall green trees, chasing dreams in a gentle breeze. Oh, those days, how they'd fly, like the birds that dance in the sky. We'll always wander, wild and free, through the pathways of our history. Gen Z dreaming, side by side, with every memory we take a stride. Snapchat memories and TikToks flow, but in the woods we let our true selves show. With every step our hearts would race, nature's beauty, our favorite place. Time keeps slipping, what a ride, but those walks, they're our pride. We'll always wander, wild and free, through the pathways of our history. Gen Z dreaming, side by side, with every moment we take a stride. So